Is your career safe? By 2030, AI is projected to transform the very professions we consider elite. In the next 5 minutes, we'll expose 5 unexpected careers at risk. You'll take the AI vulnerability test, and we'll reveal the AI's strategy on how to future-proof your career. Let's see what the AI says. We all know AI is coming for drivers and cashiers, but that's a misdirection. The real revolution is in the office. AI is mastering cognitive tasks, leaving millions of professionals vulnerable, believing their degrees are a shield. To find the truth, we fed our model data from McKinsey, the World Economic Forum, and recent AI patents. We asked which high-skill jobs are quietly at risk, and to find the hidden pattern connecting them all. The answer changes everything, and we will reveal it at the end.
What if I told you that
The legal world isn't built on dramatic courtroom speeches. It's built on thousands of hours of document analysis, the bedrock of justice. But large language models are digitizing that bedrock, doing the work in minutes, not months. According to an analysis cited by Harvard Law School, AI-assisted paralegals are already 58% faster. Up to 69% of a paralegal's daily tasks are susceptible to automation. So what's left? AI can analyze a contract, but it can't counsel a client with empathy or navigate a complex negotiation. The future shifts to high-level advisory, not routine analysis. Financial analysts translate seas of data into actionable insights, underpinning major investment decisions. Now, AI platforms generate reports and spot anomalies with superhuman speed. A Goldman Sachs report projects that generative AI could replace up to a quarter of all current work tasks, with analytical roles being especially vulnerable. The machine finds the pattern. The human interprets its meaning. The analyst of the future won't just build spreadsheets, but will advise the C-suite, using AI's findings to craft complex strategies that require deep business acumen. The trained eye of a radiologist is one of medicine's most powerful tools, finding signs of disease in a sea of gray. But AI-powered computer vision is mastering this skill. Studies show AI can slash reporting times by 30% and, in some cases, see patterns invisible to the human eye. The goal isn't full replacement, but augmentation that significantly reduces the need for large diagnostic teams. AI flags the anomaly, but it can't comfort a patient or make a complex diagnostic decision weighing multiple factors. The human remains indispensable. Many of us believe our skills are unique. Let's test that with a rapid vulnerability assessment. Athena?
Analysis initiated. Rate your vulnerability. Two or more yes answers means your career is at high risk. Adaptation is required.
That sobering analysis brings us to our fourth profession. Behind every application is a team of QA testers methodically trying to break it, essentially professional saboteurs. Their job is to find the flaws before you do, but AI is automating this process. AI agents can autonomously explore apps and identify bugs far more comprehensively than humans. The market for AI-powered testing is exploding. Some companies report AI slashes test creation time by over 60%. But AI is great at finding what is functionally broken. It's terrible at understanding what feels wrong. The future is in user experience, asking, does this make sense? Not just, does this button work? Simultaneous interpreters translate complex ideas in real time, but the defense that AI can't grasp meaning is dead. The threat? AI is good enough for 95% of situations. This destroys the mass market. What's left is the last 5%, high-stakes moments. AI might struggle with heavy accents or miss a subtle shift in tone that turns a polite disagreement into an international insult. In those moments, the human is no longer just a translator. They are the final firewall, the last guarantee against catastrophic failure. Here's the pattern. AI made accumulated experience downloadable. Precedence, trained eyes, gut feel, now on demand. Experience still matters, but your edge is how you use it with AI. The real threat isn't replacement, it's someone using AI leapfrogging your experience. To thrive, ask better questions, lead with empathy, and work as a centaur, human plus AI. It's not man versus machine, it's a race to adapt. Which job surprised you most? Comment and subscribe. Next, tap the video for when AI will surpass human intelligence.